Hi everyone, see this problem. Here how to find power dissipation in a 5 ohm resistor. So here 3 voltage sources are there, 1 resistor is there. So in that resistor how much power was dissipated? This is the problem. So let's consider that this is V1 source and this is V2 source and this is V3 source, and here V4 voltage is dropped. The current direction is given as like this. First of all find the current I, then we can easily find the power dissipation in 5 ohm resistor. So here only one loop is there. Now we can apply KVL. So according to KVL, sum of all voltages in that loop is equal to 0. So that is V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 equal to 0. So according to direction of current, taking as plus or minus of voltages. So here the current entered at minus in 12 volt source. So that was considered as minus 12 plus, and V2 as a current entered minus, that's why taken as minus 18, and here plus 15 plus in that V4 is 5 into I, that's equal to 0. So from this we get 5I equal to 15, I equal to 3 amperes. Now we got current. Now we can easily find the power dissipated. We know that power equal to I square R. This is power in, we want 5 ohm resistor. So R equal to 5. In that resistor the current I was entering, that is 3 amperes. So that's equal to 9 into 5, nothing but 45 watts. This is the total power dissipated in the given circuit. So from the options, option is the correct option. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.